Welcome to Workout Wednesday. On this show, we will quickly go over a workout that you can do on your own. If you want to download this workout on a PDF format for free, just go to the link in the description. This is the easy version, but there are also moderate and hard versions. It took me 41 minutes and a half to complete. It is focused on speed, freestyle, your best stroke, and breaststroke. To warm up, we will do 100 reverse IM. So start with freestyle, then breaststroke, then backstroke, and finish with butterfly. Then do 425s where the odd ones will be over kick free and even ones catch up drill. Then another 425s where the odd ones will be underwater kick and the even ones breathing every 5 strokes. To finish warm up, do 425s odd ones build to fast finish and even ones fast breakout. For the technique set, we will do 425s. The first and the second will be double pull out breaststroke. The third and the fourth will be dolphin kick with breaststroke pull. This drill will help you push your chest down and lift your hips up and be in a better position while gliding. For the main set, we will begin with the 200 at a moderate speed, doing 3 to 4 dolphin kicks after each wall. We will now do 425s all out of the stroke of your choice. Then, 2 100s at a moderate speed, doing 3 to 4 dolphin kicks after each wall. Then, 425s all out kick, followed by 450s freestyle DPS with fins and paddles. To finish, do 425s all out of your best stroke. Warm down with 100, 50 kick and 50 free. This workout was really tough, as you can see by my breathing here, but I liked it. I hope you liked it too. One last thing before you go. If you want a new workout every time you go swimming, we have a subscription service that might be of interest to you. This was actually a workout from this service, and it was the easy version. Check it out by clicking here, or if you just want to download the free PDF of this workout, go through the link in the description. Or if you want a video that would help you do this workout, click here. Thanks for watching. Swim fast!